Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Focus Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the square button or 3 bars icon, something like that. And if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, just like that. After releasing the finger, you can see the recents, and all you have to do is to tap on this X button under the list of apps. So let's tap on it. We just got back to the home page. We've got this information. Of course, we can enter the recents to check, but we have no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.